seems you like hunting.
Yeah, sure. I like hunting, Yeah, it's one of the best job I can do. And my clan also. They say I am a good hunter. So I must prove it. Yeah. That's why I like it.
And what inspires you most?
Oh, what inspires me? So my dad used to hunt, my grandfather, my family.
Your family.
Yes. So I can say that it's a generation. But it's a good job. I do enjoy it most of the time. Though we got challenges, so many challenges actually.
Like?
Hey, you can come. You see it like today. You're just walking, looking around, but there's nothing to hunt.
Oh.
Yeah. And in this forest of ours, it's very dangerous also. Yeah. So you might sometimes encounter with some dangerous animals.
Like
it's hard,
lion.
Yeah. Actually,
Are you sure?
they live here, monkey. But I enjoy your company. At least nowadays I don't go hunt alone. I'm with you by my side.
Thank you.
I enjoy the company. Yeah. Actually, I know you're tired. We walked for a long distance without even hunting anything.
Yeah, I'm tired.
I can see it. So I'll do this. I'll take you to a nice spot. I have a nice spot somewhere. Along the river bank.
How comes I don't know?
What less? I'm taking you there right now. We go there. You chill there. You wait for me. I go do some few hunting. Then I'll come for you. Actually, a lot of people in my kingdom have been asking me about you.
Hey.
They be like wondering, where did this beautiful lady come from? Lola. What are you doing here in this thick forest? You know there's a lot of dangerous animals here.
Don't worry. I'm used to fetching firewood here in the forest. Besides, why would I be afraid when my perfect gentleman is around? You're so handsome, my king. I wish this could be real. I'm dying to have you for myself.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my dear. You're so beautiful and attractive. Any man would like to have you around them.
I don't want any man. It's you that I want. A strong man and a dedicated gentleman.
Stop, please. Respect yourself. But I don't want this. I don't want this.
You don't want what? Are you sure you don't want this? Who can deny this? Just look at it. Or do you want to taste it? I can give it to you for free, my darling.
I've maintained my respect to you, but...
But what? I'm undeniable, right? Relax, my king. You're mine. You must marry me.